Hello, this is part 1 of the introduction to ZUMpad. ZUMpad is basically a version of Etherpad, and it is an online text editing tool that allows you to work together with others simultaneously on a text on the internet. The cool thing is it's free, it's very reduced in what you can do, which I think is good because you concentrate on the content and you needn't register or log in. Okay, how do you start this? Well, you open any web browser and you type in this address here, zumpad.zum.de. Okay, and you land here. And then you need to find a name for your new pad. In this case, I would choose Erasmus plus test 1 or any other name. If the name is too simple, it may already exist, then you can't do it, or somebody else can guess your name. And that has consequences because the big thing, the cool thing, but also the difficult thing is with such a pad, anybody who has this address and knows this name can go to this pad, read it and edit it. That also means that it's nothing for confidential or almost secret work that nobody else should read or work with. And it's nothing for the long term. If you don't use a ZUMpad, after 6 months of inactivity, everything is deleted. But of course you can save it. We'll look at this later. Okay, you found a name for your pad. Okay, you press OK, and there you go. Your first pad is opened. Here you see the address and your name has been added. Okay, right, what you basically see here is a piece of simple text editing and an area where you actually can write, like this. Hello, comma, this is my pad. Okay, this is a bit small, so what you do is you can use Control plus on the keyboard, and now it's more readable for you. Okay, makes it even simpler. Right, it's too big. Okay, right, what can you do here? Well, you can print everything in bold letters, you can use italics, underline, cross out stuff, you can use simple paragraph formatting, a numbered list, a bullet point list. And you can, under settings up here, do some interesting things. For example, you can change the language to English. Right, that may be useful. And you can also choose that a chat, which can be useful, is always visible, and the users. Speaking of users, at the moment, there's only one user which has been given the color, well, whatever, purple or whatever. And any new user gets a new color, but that happens randomly. So next time you log in or access the pad, you may have a different color. Right, you can write here in simple text editing, and after some time you decide that it's time to stop working. Oh yeah, if somebody else write, let's see if we can do that. Somebody else goes here. Okay. And now you can see somebody else is writing and we see a second user. Right, now it's time to finish this for the moment. And what can you do? Well, you can save the whole thing. For example, you can export it as an HTML file, as plain text without any formatting really, or as a Microsoft Word or PDF file. For example, here on my computer, I have Erasmus test 1 PDF. Okay, so it's saved now. And I've got it and can do anything else with it. But as I said, if you don't use it, it will stay here for 6 months.